Video is specially made for the beginners who want to use Wondershare Filmora mobile. So here is our Wondershare Filmora mobile. So first of all, if you have not downloaded the latest version of Filmora mobile, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora mobile. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then do please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. First of all, open up your Wondershare Filmora mobile application. So for the beginners, just simply go to the new project, and after selecting your videos, just simply click on import button. It will take some time to importing your video. Now as you can see, there is a timeline in which you are going to edit your video. So in the first section, you are going to learn how to split your video. So for example, I just wanted to split this video from this time. So in the options tab, here is the option of the split in the center. I just simply click on the split button like this. Now my video has been divided into two parts. If I wanted to remove some part of my video, I just simply split my video and cut out this part. And in the option tab, you have the option of the delete button. Just simply click on delete. It will automatically delete my video that I have selected. Now it's time to learn how to add transition. To add the transition, just simply click on the center cut of your video, and here you have the Pro, Basic, Dissolve and many other transitions. Just simply select your favorite transition like this. Now as you can see, our transition has been applied to our video. Now it's time to add some music effect into the background of our video. Just simply click on the audio layer, add music button. Now you have a large variety of musics that you can use in your videos. So I just simply select the Piano in Love music. I just simply click on the download button. After downloading, I just simply click on add button. I just simply drag the music into the start of my video like this. You can easily adjust the audio according to your video size. Now it's time to add the text effect in our video. To add the text effect, just simply click on text icon like this. Just simply click on add text and enter your text. You can easily adjust the text size according to your preference. Now you have a large variety of fonts that you can use for your videos. So I just simply go with the Orbitron M. You can also add the animation in your text effect. Just simply download your favorite animation effect and use in your videos. Now our text effect has been added in our video like this, and we have our transition, and also we have the background music inside our video. Now it's time to export our video. Just simply click on the export button into the top right corner. Now click on export button. It will automatically export your video in your mobile phone gallery. So I hope this video really helped you. If this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.